Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be dyeing my hair. If you guys want to learn how I split my hair, I will post my first video I ever did up in the cards and you guys can check that out. I've been dyeing it the same exact way for forever, so this is the split I usually do. I don't mind if more dark goes on bottom because, I don't know, I do it back and forth. I bleach and then I dye it brown, so I just split it as well as I can and go from there. The first thing I'll be taking is my L'Oreal Effasol. This is to help get the rest of the orange and yellow kind of out of my hair. And what you want to do is mix it with water and or developer. It's your choice. I do water and make sure that it's a pasty-like substance, kind of like this. Not too hard yet and not too soft or runny or else it just runs right through your hair. So yeah, I like using this stuff because it's gotten every other color out of my hair pretty well, and it helps lighten it at the same time so it's ready for the next color. I just put it in all over like this and you're good to go. I will say, however, this stuff actually really smells, so be careful if you're in a bathroom. Make sure to put on a fan or something. That's what I do every single time, and it's helped me out a ton. Another tip for you guys to help saturate your hair even more so is to dampen it a little with a spray water bottle. I love doing this because I haven't seen a difference whether your hair is wet or dry when using the color remover, so I love to do this and it helps get in my hair a lot easier and a lot smoother, and it comes out a lot more even in the end. So that's another tip to take into consideration when you're doing this. Don't forget to put a bag on your head and I will show you the results right now. So this is it. As you can see, I still have a little bit of orange tones in my hair, but overall it took it out quite well. I was pretty happy with the results and didn't mind it too much. I'm going to be taking my Ion Creme Lightener and a developer at 10. I didn't need a higher developer because my hair was already pretty light enough. I never used a cream lightener before, but I saw another girl use it and I thought, what the heck, I'll use it. She said to make it a yogurt-like consistency, and that's what I try to do. So yogurt-like is what I'm going to agree with. With this, it's literally like bleach. You just minus the powder, and it was a lot easier because you didn't dye on the smoke or stuff coming up through your nose. So this was the result of that, and I thought it was pretty good. I actually like cream lightener a lot better than like a powder that you have to smell and suffer in. So if you guys are looking for a better alternative, I would definitely suggest using a cream lightener. It was really nice. I mean, look at that lift. It was pretty good. I liked it. I would totally recommend it. So originally when it came to my hair, I just wanted to make this kind of like that ash blonde or super pale blonde. So this is me taking Ion toner that I've never used before either, because most people use Wella toner, which I also do. But I decided to give this one a try and see what happens. So my hair started off like that. Here's me throwing in the toner, and actually you have to work pretty fast with toners because as I was doing it, the color changed quite a bit. And I noticed that it kind of more had a gray tint to it, so I was wondering if it was going to come out like silvery gray. But yeah, this is me with the toner, and we shall check out the results right now. Boom! I thought it looked pretty good. It's actually not that bad. I kind of liked it, I kind of didn't like it. It still had an uneven color around it. Like there's some gray pieces, there's some blonde pieces. I'm not really sure how the back worked out because I didn't really look at it. But yeah, I originally thought about keeping this as the color, but then I got a knock at the door, and we will get into that soon. But if you guys are looking to achieve this color, I think it's a pretty decent video. So it's like 2 colors in one. You should give this video a thumbs up because of that. Thank you so much. So as I said, I got a knock at the door, and guess what? My super green was here, and I was so excited. This is kind of what it looked like, although I feel like my camera changed color a bit. It's just a nice, really good green, and I tried everywhere to get the color, and my camera wouldn't do it. So I'm sorry if this isn't exactly what it looks like, but I decided I wanted to mix it a bit with super blue to make almost like a forest hunter green, if you get my vibe. So I took a chunk of my super blue, threw it in my super green, and then mixed that bad boy up. This is kind of exactly the color that it came out to be, almost like a teal color, which I was living for. I liked it. I was really excited. So excuse my face when I dye my hair. I don't know why I always look like mean mugging people. Jeez, I noticed that throughout editing this whole video. I always just look so mad. But anyway, here's me saturating my whole hair. It's a nice teal color and it looks great. And yeah, it smells pretty good. Also, there's gold flecks in the super green, which is pretty cool. Hey, a tip to know is if you have leftover dye, get these bottles at Dollar Tree, throw your dye in there, and they have a nice little cap like that to where you want to spruce up your hair or re-dye it real quick. You just take it out of the bottle. Bam! Look at this hair, guys. Oh my gosh, can you tell I'm feeling myself? I love my hair. And honestly, a few days later when I'm editing this, I still very much love my hair. It's so beautiful. I love the blue, I love the green, I love the teal. I love every color that's in my hair right now. And I feel like it brings out my blue eyes. I wish. It brings out my brown eyes so beautifully. Now I will say, when I mix these two colors, they didn't actually, I feel like, mix. They kind of did, kind of didn't. So I feel like here you can kind of see green, blue, teal, all that stuff in there. But yeah, regardless, I still really liked it. I think it came out beautiful. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I hope you like this color. I've used 3 of his colors now, and so far this is my favorite creation. My hair is still healthy and beautiful. Oh yeah, I just love this. I'm definitely going to re-dye my hair this color for a while. Oh, it's so beautiful. And I really don't want to do my whole full head of hair. I think it looks really, really fantastic with the half and half. So please let me know what you guys think. I was trying to point out the blue and green tints there. It's kind of uneven, but it's beautiful in a chaotic way. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you want to know what it looks like up, I put it up for you guys. My hair's kind of short, so that's why a little bit hangs at the bottom. But you totally get the whole vibrant color showing, and it is just gorgeous. I love it. It reminds me of the ocean. Oh, yeah. I love the ocean. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Hey guys, I just want to say a few things at the end of this video. I didn't trust in Super Green to give me a like hunter's green color to my hair. I was kind of thinking by the online picture that it would do something like a neon color. And so having that as my only reference, that's why I decided to mix it with the blue color. However, I feel like since I mixed it with the blue, they didn't actually mix and create its own color. They just kind of mixed separately, if you can understand that. That's why I have like blue pieces and then straight up just green pieces. It was weird. I don't know why it didn't combine and just make like a teal color. There's that for thought. The other thing is, I've seen a few people mentioned that the XMONDO hair dye does not transfer onto your skin and or your towels. That's been false for me. I don't know if that's been false for anybody else, but I see it rinse off. It dyes your skin for like a day or maybe a few hours, and it definitely does rinse off onto your towel. So I don't know if anybody was curious about that. And the last thing is that I wish there was a bit more product. I don't know if I saturate my hair too much or what. I've only dyed my hair twice using the Super Green, one when I mixed the blue and green, and then the second time just the green all over. And like I said, I'm only doing half my hair, and you know, like there's only 1/3 of the container left. So that's something to keep in mind if you're dyeing your full head of hair. But yeah, if you guys are looking for my color, it's a mix of the super blue and super green, and you'll probably end up with this tealish green blue color. If you guys like the way this hair turned out, make sure to leave me a like down below. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Bye. Thank you.